Okay, besties, welcome back. If you love the Starbucks Bear Cup vibes from part 1, now it's time to bring the energy home. You don't need a viral cup to be that girl. We're making our own soft girl drink at home that's cute, cozy, and totally aesthetic. Grab your cup, your iced tea or coffee, and let's get extra cute. Pick your prettiest cup. It could be a bear cup, a mason jar, a clear glass from Amazon, or literally any cup that makes you feel soft and aesthetic. It's not about the brand, it's about the vibe. Hold it up, smile. You're about to create magic. Fill that cup with ice. Pebble ice? Amazing. Regular cubes? Totally fine. Ice is key because soft girl drinks are cold, refreshing, and just a little dramatic. Make it look full, make it look perfect, make it cute. Oat milk, creamy and soft girl classic. Almond milk, light and clean vibes. Vanilla sweet cream for the sweet princess energy. Regular milk for simple, cozy vibes. Pour it in slow so it swirls beautifully in your cup. Vanilla syrup, caramel drizzle, brown sugar cinnamon syrup, honey. Pick what suits your mood. Soft girl drinks are all about personalization. Mix it in slowly and watch the colors swirl together. This is your tiny potion of happiness. Espresso, iced coffee, matcha, chai, or leave it caffeine-free. You do you. The drink is yours. Soft girl energy doesn't require coffee. It requires aesthetic vibes, a cute cup, and a happy soul. Whipped cream, cinnamon, cocoa powder, marshmallows, sprinkles. These are optional but highly recommended. Little details, big aesthetic points. Go crazy, bestie. Make it a drink you're proud to photograph. Reusable straws? Yes. Glittery, pastel, or clear is a bonus. Set your cup on a cute coaster or tray. Add a flower, a crystal, or a mini notebook for extra cozy vibes. Your drink is now a soft girl masterpiece. Caramel coffee, soft brown French tips, strawberry milk, pink nails with white accents. Match the vibe of your drink. Bonus, pull out your journal, your lip gloss, or a fuzzy sweater sleeve. Soft girl drinks are a full aesthetic experience. Hold it in natural light. Tilt your cup just enough for the swirl to show. Include cozy props. You don't need millions of likes. This is for you. Capture the moment, feel the vibe, take a moment, appreciate every sip. The creamy, sweet, or slightly bitter notes. This is your soft girl moment. You curated it. You made it magical, and that energy stays with you all day. Besties, you don't need a viral Starbucks cup to be cute, aesthetic, or soft girl energy. This drink is yours. You made it. You created happiness in your day. And honestly, that's way more satisfying than any trend online. Comment below, what's your soft girl drink vibe? Matcha, iced coffee, strawberry milk, or something else? Tag me if you recreate your drink. I love seeing all your aesthetic creations. Double tap if you're about to grab your prettiest cup and make your own soft girl iced beverage tonight. And if you want to match your soft girl aesthetic even more, check out my Shopify for press-ons, nail sets, lip gloss, and cute accessories to take your cozy vibes to the next level. So imagine this, besties. It's a lazy Saturday morning. The sun is just peeking through your blinds and your pajamas are messy but chef's kiss cozy. You're scrolling your phone, catching up on TikTok, and suddenly, inspiration hits. You're like, yes, today is a soft girl drink kind of day. You hop into the kitchen, still in your fluffy socks, and grab the cutest cup you can find. It doesn't have to be expensive. The vibe matters more than the brand. You're holding it like it's a little treasure, and honestly, it is. This cup is about to witness greatness. Next comes the ice. You pour it in slowly, watching each cube fall into place like tiny frozen crystals. The sound? Chef's kiss. You know that satisfying clink is the sound of your soft girl energy activating. You can already imagine Instagram approving this moment. Now for the milk. You decide on oat milk today because creamy and dreamy feels right. You pour it in and watch it swirl as if the universe is doing a tiny happy dance in your cup. Then comes the flavor. A little vanilla syrup for sweetness because life is already chaotic enough and you deserve soft little joys. Then you grab your espresso shot, pour it gently, and watch the caramel brown liquid slowly blend with the creamy white milk. Your kitchen smells amazing. Your soft girl aura is officially online. You pause for a second just to look at your creation. This is art. This is magic. This is your moment, but you're not done yet. Whipped cream on top? Absolutely. A sprinkle of cinnamon? Why not? A tiny marshmallow? Cute. You even take your glittery straw, plop it in like the cherry on top of a perfect little day. Your drink is now a soft girl masterpiece, ready to sip, admire, and maybe photograph for posterity. Finally, you sit down by the window, cup in hand, and take that first slow sip. The creamy sweetness hits just right. The ice is refreshing. You feel cozy, content, and entirely proud of yourself. In that moment, it doesn't matter what's trending on the internet. This soft girl drink, made by you and for you, is everything. And honestly, besties, isn't that the vibe we're all chasing? So besties, that's how you make your own soft girl drink at home. Remember, it's not about the cup. It's about the vibe you create for yourself. Sip slowly, enjoy every moment, and make your day a little sweeter. And if you want to match your drink aesthetic with nails, press-ons, or lip gloss, check out my Shopify. Everything is made with love. All right, loves, that's our little soft girl drink story for today. Make your drinks cute, make your mornings pretty, and don't forget to show off your creations. Tag me or comment your favorite flavor. And if you want even more aesthetic vibes, my Shopify has the cutest nails, glosses, and goodies to complete the look. Okay, besties, that's it for today's soft girl drink adventure. Take a moment to sip, relax, and enjoy your little creation. Remember, you can make every day feel cute and cozy. And if you want to step up your soft girl energy, my Shopify is linked below. Press-ons, nail sets, and lip gloss to make your vibe complete.